Perry Locksmith, Perry Locksmith. Perry Locksmith has been conveniently located in central Queens, New York, in order to provide the quickest possible response time to our customers' routine calls or in the event of an emergency. All our state licensed, bonded, and insured technicians are fully trained, highly experienced, and capable of dealing with all your problems and requirements. Our range of services includes residential, business, commercial, industrial, and automotive. For those standard key and electronic, for both standard key and electronic systems. Our technicians have handled all types of emergency lockout cases and are very understanding of both your needs and how frustrating the situations may be. That is why we will be there as quickly as possible to ensure that you get fast, honest, and